One of the great things about the aerospace industry is that the size of the country doesn't actually matter. It's what you can produce. And you can see by the map behind me here that Wales, part of the United Kingdom, has certainly got a lot going for it in the aerospace industry. I'm with the Minister for Economy and Transport for Wales. Ken Skates, welcome to the programme. Tell us about Wales and why it's important to the aerospace industry and what sort of companies you have operating here.
The sector is incredibly important to Wales. It employs more than 20,000 people. There are more than 160 businesses in the aerospace and defence sector. And in some parts of Wales, aerospace is right at the heart of the community. If you just look at the map and you can see that intensely concentrated cluster of activity in the northeast, for example, the aerospace sector came in and rose at a time when the steel sector was in decline. And it was incredibly important because it provided valuable, high quality jobs for high-skilled people, and it led to our performance in terms of economic activity being maintained during a very difficult time. And it's the same again today. And there's also a great degree of cross-border collaboration, both with the southwest, particularly Bristol, and with the northwest. And so the aerospace sector really is in Wales, is part of a UK success story.
Now, does that spread through to the education system, for example? I mean, are you working as a Welsh government to encourage young people to look at this sector?
Absolutely, both through higher education. We've got 8 great universities in Wales, and through our college system. We've got a very ambitious programme apprenticeship development, and there's going to be 100,000 apprenticeship opportunities in this current Welsh Assembly term. That's vital for the aerospace sector. We know how important apprentices are to the many businesses that are in the aerospace and defence sector, and I'm pleased that we're seeing more and more highly skilled, particularly young people, enter this sector. And where they're entering the sector, they're finding huge opportunities for sustained, good, decent employment.
Now, just looking around here where you're showing and showing Wales in a great light, there's a lot of the new technologies that you're showing here as well, which is great. You're ahead of that game, I think.
Particularly in the field of composites as well, and we'll shortly be opening the Advanced Manufacturing Research Centre, Wales, in Broughton, right on the doorstep of Airbus. And this will be an incredibly important facility, drawing together businesses, collaborating particularly in the field of composite technology and the development of new composites, powering not just the aerospace sector, but other sectors that are also dependent on composites, for example, the automotive sector.
You're approaching Brexit, and Broughton is important to you. There's been a lot of speculation from Airbus about their the future. How do you see that panning out?
Well, we were incredibly keen after the UK voted to leave the EU to make sure that we future-proofed business, and given the incredible contribution that aerospace makes to the Welsh economy, we had a particular focus on that sector. And so we developed and brought forward plans for the Advanced Manufacturing Research Centre to ensure that we secure the win of tomorrow, to make sure that we capture as many job opportunities for Wales as we possibly can. And in other parts of Wales, with other businesses, we're looking at opportunities that, in spite of Brexit, will ensure that the sector in Wales goes on succeeding and goes from strength to strength.
Minister, thank you very much.
Thank you.